project management system, this video tutorial is about calendar view. Managing projects isn't just about creating tasks. It's about knowing when work is planned, who is working on it, and whether the work is actually being completed on time or not. When project schedules are scattered across task lists or multiple reports, managers struggle to identify busy periods, upcoming deadlines, scheduling conflicts, and actual work completed. Supista PMS solves this with its calendar view, providing a visual timeline of both planned tasks and actual work logs, helping teams plan better, monitoring progress, and staying on schedule. Let's explore how it works. First of all, the task calendar. The task calendar displays all the planned tasks based on their scheduled start and end dates, giving you a centralized view of upcoming project activities. At the top of the screen, you will find multiple viewing options that allow you to visualize your schedule in different ways. It is on month. Select day to focus on all activities planned for a single day. Switch to week to review work schedule throughout the week, making it easier to manage short term priorities and upcoming deadlines. For long term planning, select year to visualize project activities across the entire year and understand how work is distributed over time. If you prefer a tabular format instead of calendar, click List. The list view displays all scheduled tasks in an organized list, making it easier to review large number of tasks, search for specific activities, and quickly access project information. You can move forward or backward through the calendar using the navigation controls to review past activities or plan future work. To go back to the current date, simply click on this button, and here you'll be redirected. If I want to see an employee's day-to-day activity, first of all, I'll switch to the day view. As you can see, I've been redirected to today's date, that is July 30. For example, now if I want to see what task did my employee performed yesterday, first of all, I click on this button to go to the previous day. And as you can see here, all of the tasks completed by the employee yesterday are listed along with the time span. Click on any task to open its detail. For example, I'll open this task information such as task title, task status, the priority that was assigned to it, actual start date, actual end date, actual time completion in hours, task weightage, who it was assigned by, who it was assigned to, then if revision marks, if any. Similarly, if we want to check the task in list view, we can do that as well. As you can see here, I've gone to list format and here all of the events are listed. Now, if I click on this button, I'll be taken to task details. I'll be able to see all of the details again, task title, the timeline, the planned date, due date, and all of the other relevant details. This allows project managers to understand planned work without navigating through multiple project screens. A look at the task log calendar. While the task calendar focuses on planned activities, the task log calendar displays the actual work logged by employees. Every task log recorded in Supista PMS appears on the calendar based on the date the work was performed. Just like task calendar, you can switch between day, week, month, year, and list views. Supervisors review all work completed on that particular day. The week view provides visibility into employees' productivity throughout the week. The month view helps managers evaluate work completed across month, while the year view offers a long-term overview of log project activities. The list view displays all work logs in a structured format, making it easier to review employee entries, compare logged hours, and search for specific records. Just like the task calendar, you can click on any task log to view the details. As you can see here, we can see the employee name, the task, start date and time, end date and time, description if any, the status, and hours worked. This provides complete visibility into the actual work performed by your teams in a very easy calendar view manner. It works just like Task Calendar. As you can see, you can change the views and you can switch between the days. You can move forward or backward, and then you can reset your view all over again. This calendar helps team plan future activities and manage project schedules, whereas the task log calendar helps managers verify execution by showing the work employees have actually completed. Together, these views provide a complete picture of project progress, making it easier to identify delays, monitor productivity, and ensure projects remain on track. The calendar view transforms project schedules into an easy to understand visual timeline. Instead of searching through multiple modules or long task lists, project managers can instantly view upcoming work, completed activities, employee workload, and project timeline in one place. This improves scheduling, enhances resource planning, increase project visibility, and helps organization make faster, more informed decisions. With Calendar View and Supista PMS, organizations gain a centralized and visual way to manage both planned schedules and actual project execution. This is it for this video. Thank you very much.